What's up, YouTube? It's Corks here. Put that over there. Another video on one of the guns my grandfather gave me for Easter. This is a Röhm RG-10. It's a 22 caliber revolver. Holds 6 shots. It is double, single action. It was I don't know if you can see that, but it says made in Germany there. It's another Saturday night special from years upon years ago. Quick, easy throwaway gun. It's got some nice plastic handles. Kind of looks like ivory. It's what it reminds me of. I forgot to grab the box for this video, but on the front of the box it said $24.95, which is how much one of these would cost back in the day. And yep, it was just a quick, easy, cheap gun that you could get. It has a loading gate similar to the features on the Nagant Revolver. If anybody here is familiar with that gun, it's one of my favorite guns. See my other videos on it. There's an ejector rod. You just kind of, when it was empty, you just shove it down there and eject the rounds out that way. And yeah, it's got a nice blued finish. If I haven't already said this, it holds 6. Got some nice sights, very clear, opposed to this other gun that doesn't have sights at all. It's a H&R 32. Excuse me. I think one of these guns nowadays would run you about $200, something like that. Don't hold me to that. I don't know for sure. I know that these guns were mostly manufactured with stamped metal. It's made in Germany, so you know it's a good German gun from a very unique time. The stamped metal, you can tell because just the way it's built. Stamped metal design was also used in like MP40s, which was like the main submachine gun of the German army during World War II. But it has the same stamping design, not design, but was made the same way. So I've heard this gun referred to as the belly gun because you would just stick this in someone's stomach and then, yeah. This gun's loud as hell when you fire it. I would use ear protection. I don't mean to sound like a pussy, but yep. It's pretty small. It fits in your palm like that. Just kind of tuck this in your vest, or not your vest, but like your jacket pocket, you know. Be good to go. Alright, that's the Röhm RG-10. That's it. Thank you for watching, guys.